Hey everybody, in this video me, my mom, and Callie are at a place that I used to go to just get some peace and quiet. It was kind of a chill spot in the midst of a crazy day and all the chaos of life. And I'd go out and chill, look at water, feed ducks and all that. I have a few questions at the end of the video I hope you guys will help me out with. Stay tuned, it's a short video. Cox's Point, it's my secret hideaway back in the day. I had to come here because I miss the water. I mean, I love Colorado, but I miss the water a lot. Mountains are beautiful, but I don't know, I've never lived away from the ocean or a river or a large lake. Just chilling with my mom and Callie today. They're feeding ducks. What's happening, brother? What you doing with that feather? You think they're gonna come towards you with that? Oh, okay. I thought they were doing some like secret technique I know nothing about. I'd have to say if I had a favorite bird, it would be Canadian geese, because they're also travelers. They go wherever I go. If I'm in Canada, they go to Canada. Or if I'm in Canada, they're in Canada. California, Maryland, every part of the country. To me, Canadian geese are travelers, so I like them. Fun?
Word.
Word?
The kids bringing them on.
Oh yeah? Say hi.
Hello.
Feeding the ducks today. Say hi,
Hi.
Mom. Alright.
But where's the drone at?
I'm about to pull it out. I'm about to pull it out.